Biometrics has been done, but results are still awaited. What is the current processing time for a study visa? How much time will it take to get a spouse open work permit? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pawan Speaks Canada. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I've got some shocking news to share with you about the latest update on Canada visa processing times for 2024. You won't believe what applicants are facing this year. Before we dive into the details, it is crucial to understand the significance of knowing the new visa processing times in Canada. And this information can make or break your plans of studying, working, or visiting the Great White North. So what's the deal with the processing times? Well, applicants are currently experiencing significant delays in getting their visas approved. This delay is causing frustration and uncertainty among those eagerly waiting to travel to Canada, and they are so worried and tensed about the processing time for the study visa and spouse open work permit. They are more concerned about what and want to know that in how many days currently the visas are being processed, but nobody has a clear answer to the same. So in this video, I will be discussing about the current processing time for study visa and spouse open work permits. I will also talk about the timeline they have mentioned on the official website, and also will share the actual practical time about the same, so that you will get to know about the exact practical time and you can do your preparations accordingly. Just to keep yourself updated with the timeline, please make sure that you watch the video till the end. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I keep on sharing all such important information from time to time. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first I'm going to talk about the study visa, as this is the most important thing, because most of the students have only one question in their mind: whether their visa will come or not. And in case it will come, how much time will it take to come? They're always eager to know about this. I'm going to talk about the official time, which is given by the immigration department on the official website. They have given a time frame for a study visa between 2 to 2.5 months of processing time. But I will also tell you about the actual and the practical processing time for the visa processing. I've seen few cases in which the actual practical time taken for the student visa was between 7 to 10 days, or on the higher side, it is practically taking somewhere around 14 days. In case your profile is strong and you have all documents in place, I would say that it will take maximum of 20 days, and you will get it in 10 to 12 days post your biometric has been done. But on the official website, it is showing that around 14 weeks. Please don't go according to the official time which they are showing on their official website, but you should consider the practical time currently which they are taking for the same. Now let's talk about the category in which most of the people apply, and which is the most famous among visitors. Yes, I'm talking about the visitor visa. So if we see at the official processing time given on the website for a visitor visa is 34 days. But if we talk about in practicality, the actual processing time is between 14 to 15 days for a visitor visa. I have seen a few instances and few cases in which people have applied for a visitor visa, and one of them got it in just 12 days, and the other visa got approved in just 14 days only. And in these cases, the age of the candidate was between 20 to 25 years only. So I want to say that this is the right time to apply for a visitor visa, as the results are coming very quickly. But please make sure that you have proper purpose of visit, and in case you have a strong purpose of a visit, the age doesn't matter, whether you are 18 years of age or you are 24 years of age, but the purpose of visit should be very strong, and you should also have a strong financial status. So the trend is good. and we are noticing that people are getting visa approved in less time as compared to what they have mentioned on their official website. So currently the results of study visa is very positive and it is very good, and the processing time is also between 10 to 15 days, which is actually a good news for everyone. Now let's talk about the most questionable and popular category, in which the wait time is currently between 3.5 to 4 months. Yes, you guessed it correctly. I'm talking about the spouse open work permit. In case we look at the official processing time for a spouse open work permit, so on the website it shows around 21 weeks. But if we talk about the processing time in practicality, I have seen few cases in which one person had applied in December and recently got the spouse open work permit. There was another case in which the spouse visa was applied in the month of January 2024 and recently the visa was approved. And I would like to cite another case which I know, that in which visa was applied in February and they have just got the visa results and it was an approved result. I always keeps on saying that currently people who have applied in January and February are getting results, and in case your file is in the embassy, whether it was submitted before 22nd of January or after 22nd of January, but it was submitted before 19th of March, so all those applications have a better chance of getting the visa approved. So as per me, what I see looking at the current approval situation and the process, all those will get their results in June 2024 only. Also, I want to inform people who are desperately and eagerly waiting for a spouse open work permit, whether you have applied for the same 3 months ago or within the last few months, the positive trend has started and people have started getting their visas. And after looking at the trend, I see that maximum number of people will get their visa within June 2024 only. These were the major updates regarding the study visa, spouse open work permit and visitor visa. Don't forget to share your visa application experience in the comments below. Your insights could help others going through the same process. And please share this video with maximum number of people so that they can also get the updated information about the same. And in case you like the video, please hit that like button, and remember to subscribe to the channel for future updates on visa processing and more valuable tips. Your support means a world to me. Thank you for watching Pawan Speaks Canada. See you soon in my next video. Thank you and all the best.